In this video, we're going to show you the correct way to install a two-sided LED bulb. This video is compatible to all models of two-sided LED light bulbs with the high and low beam.
The high beam is located slightly lower and set slightly back further away from the low beam. You can see the difference between the two here. The high beam is located lower so that it can be reflected at a higher angle. In this example, the lights are not accurate. As you can see, the high beam is on top where it should be on the bottom. First, you must remove the chunk by pushing down slightly and twisting counterclockwise. Rotate the chunk 180 degrees to change the angle of the LED lights. Be sure to check that the notches are aligned and then twist clockwise to lock into place.